Welcome to Jibo's in Littlefield, Texas. My name is Teresa, and I'm the store manager here. Today we're here to tell you about the Firearms Friday for May the 7th. We will be featuring a Howa M1500 6.5 Grendel rifle. This rifle is a mini-action rifle with a 10-round box magazine. The barrel is cold hammered forged and has a crowned muzzle for accuracy. It has an HTI pillar bedded stock for a free floating action. This weapon has a 2-pound 13.5 ounce trigger pull, has a 3-position safety. This rifle comes with a Nico Sterling scope, also Yodi camo dipped. This is a great little package for the price. This rifle regularly runs $799.98. But for Firearms Friday, which is Friday and Saturday, this rifle is running $649.98. That's $150 savings. Come on in. Take advantage of the savings. See you soon.